Typhoon U1. About Typhoon U1 from Philippines. Because I'm watching weather forecast lately, and the typhoon U1 says this is a very strong typhoon. Came here in Philippines areas responsibility, and they announced weather forecast announce be ready and prepared be preparing your self in the coming strong typhoon U1, and